Thank you so much for everything. When I joined to USMLE sarthi, they told me you must to take the step 3 because our biggest strength as an all graduate is our experience, and a step 3 is about how you treat patients. So you have to take step 3 is a must. Even though if your step 1 or step 2 is a good score, for all graduates they expect that you have done the step 3, and hopefully with a good score. My step 3, I have a good score, so that helped me because it was mentioned in my interview. So that was the first guidance. The second things that the Sarti advised me, it was we have to reach out the programs with time, which I didn't do in the previous season. I didn't, because I didn't know. So I reached out the programs, and I remember the people when we talk in the Sarti, they guide you how when you have to write the emails, what to write in the emails, and how often you have to do it. So I got one of my interviews through the reach out. So it was helping. That helped me a lot. The third thing, you have to be realistic. For all graduates, I was expected that I didn't gonna have many interviews, right? So, but my goal for me, it was just get any match and practicing here. Because for all graduates, we've been practicing in our countries. So maybe we do, but probably many of us, we don't gonna do any fellowship or any other study. What we want is to practice in here in the United States. So our goal is to match. So I was looking for programs that have residents similar to me. Sarti helped me to how to reach to research the programs that have residents similar to me, programs that they don't require recent graduates, programs that works in rural areas, for example, because I know I'm gonna be successful in that application. So I did a research for the programs I'm gonna apply. I applied to 97 programs. It wasn't too much because I knew it. And I received all the guides. And the other things that I was, the interviews, you must, because you know that you're going to have just a few interviews. When you get it, you must be prepared for that. And I remember the previous season, I didn't prepare too much for the interviews. I didn't prepare the questions in a better way, but because you offer practicing interviews, that helped me to be prepared for the interview. I practiced the questions. The doctor that did the mock interview with me, she helped me the way I speak, the way I remember she told me, I was like, your biggest strength is your experience. You must talk about your experience. And that's what I did. When I got my interview in Rush University, they didn't ask me, okay, tell me about your experience. You must just show up. Just show that when you talk about it. They asked me, okay, why you apply here? Oh, because I have experience in this and community. And I started to talk. I remember my first experience working with the community, and just talk about your experience. That is going to help you a lot. So it's the guidance. It's not only applications. It's not only documents. It's not only pass the test. It's the strategies that it fits on you. And that's the guidance, really valuable guidance that you provide. That's why I overcome, because you cannot change the years of graduation. You cannot change the scores. They are settled down. So the research of the programs, the application of just specific programs, and be prepared, because you're going to have maybe two. I only have 2 interviews. but you only need one good interview to match. And the preparation for that interview, I find it really helpful for you. I'm so happy.